Good evening and welcome. My name is Clive Barkerson. Today I've come to talk to you about the evolutionary timeline of time itself. Time is not just something that we can philander here nor there. No, time is perhaps one of the most solid, non-seeable, unsolid things that we know exists. Now, if you're anything like a vegetarian or someone who believes in dinosaurs, then your perception of time is perhaps skewed. Now, the skewedness of your perception of time may be more skewed than others believing in such things. Today, we come to know that time is not only in the shape of a square. At first, we thought it was a circle, but definitely not a circle. Most cube-like, we've come to know. And what I can tell you is that the further we look into time itself, the more we come to believe that time is not something that can be obtained, or something that is lasting more than momentary. Yes. Time is more like water, constantly flowing, with various animals in it, swimming, not swimming, walking, people, things, and also time. Now, I've come to present my thesis on time travel. Now, time travel is quite possibly the most ridiculous thing you can ever hear of. But it is very obtainable through knowing quantum physics, and lastly, knowing where to find an open time hole. Now, you may be saying, what is a time hole? I'm not familiar with string theory. I have never watched a sci-fi episode of anything. So I am here to tell you my thesis on time travel is that once you can obtain the time in which to travel in, holding that moment and maybe threatening other moments that exist within that moment is not what you want to do. No, absolutely not. What you most likely should do is not so much as threaten time, but as to give it a light squeeze, maybe a fair choke on reality. And then, time travel is totally obtainable. Now you may be saying, do I need a vessel to travel through time? No. I don't know if you've ever seen an episode of Quantum Leap, maybe X-Men Days of Future Past. Those both prove right there that time and space travel can be obtained without a vessel. And some speculators consider that non-vesicular time travel is totally obtuse to the reason of matter banging into black matter, scratching it out, rewriting it, and then definitely throwing it away, getting it back out again, unraveling it, checking over your notes, and then rewriting it again and throwing it away. Why do this, you ask? Simply because time can be traveled through. Thank you. I'm Clive Barkerson.